Let me show you how I make my homemade pie crust for all my delicious pies. To begin with, I'm adding in 3 cups of flour into this bowl with half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to incorporate that together and then adding in 2 sticks of very cold butter. And I'm going to be smashing that down into a crumble with my pastry cutter. Once I have done that, I'm adding in half a cup of very cold water. And that is basically all you need for your pie crust. And I'm going to be incorporating that together. And once that's incorporated, I'm moving it into my surface here and I'm going to just mix it together just for a few. And then I'm going to separate this. This will make 2 pie crusts. And just to get it even, I'm going to weigh them out. And I'm going to be adding them into a plastic here, just rolling it up. And I'm going to refrigerate this for 4 hours. You can do 1 hour if you are in a hurry. And that is it. After they've been out of the refrigerator, just roll them out and you are ready to make your delicious pies for any holiday or any occasion. You can refrigerate these pie crusts for up to 3 days. If you're not going to use them within the 3 days, just place them in a freezer bag and you can freeze these for up to 6 months. Just when you take them out, take it out, thaw it out, and roll it out, and it's ready for use. I made these for a special apple pie that I made for the family, and it was so delicious. You will love this apple pie recipe also. I will have that up on my channel too. Enjoy.